Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Kahoot game. So let's get started. First, let's click here on create and type Kahoot because that is what we will create, and create a new Kahoot. Or you can also choose templates here, but we're gonna choose this one and here. You can start by putting our title. What is this Kahoot all about? Tutorial. We'll say tutorial for this example. And you can also add a description, an image. It really depends on you and what you want to add. And now click done. And here you can also insert media so you can better express your question so that the players will better understand your question. And here you will type your question. Let's say, what is 4 plus 4? And there, after typing the question, we may now add the choices. And let's say 1 and 4, 5, 8. And after you have added the choices, now choose the correct answer so that the Kahoot will detect it as the right answer. And press here because this is the correct one. And after that, you may now save it. If you are done, you can also add questions here if one isn't enough for you. I think you can add up to 100 if I'm not mistaken. So after you are done with everything, you can now click on save. And now you have the option to test this Kahoot to make sure it's working and there is no mistake in your creation. So now let's say we got it. Let's go on classic mode. And now it will load your game pin. And the purpose of that game pin is this one. The purpose of this game pin is for your players. You need to give that to your players because they need it to sign into Kahoot.it. Kahoot.it is the one that would need your game pin so that the players could enter your game. Like for example, let's copy this and then let's enter it. No, wait, let's copy it again. It's a link. It's a link, so we need it here. But if you want the code, then you could just type it manually 3447932. And now they could enter your Kahoot. They need to type their nickname, let's say Kai. And now I go. And that's it. That is how you create your Kahoot. After you complete this process of creating your avatar, you will now be redirected to this. And that is how you create your Kahoot. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.